What's up, friends and loved ones? It is me again. Throat's a little but forgive me for that. I am going to try to shoot this video with the car lights since my regular light is broken right now. So it's going to look a little dim, and for that I apologize. I'm going to make this quick and to the point. I am trying the new limited edition chicken nuggets. Spicy chicken McNuggets from McDonald's. Yes, sir. And they came out with a special sauce for it, I think, called Mighty Hot Sauce. I'm going to try one of these. Oh, they're kind of red. I'm going to try one of these plain just to see the spice level we're dealing with. I've noticed that McDonald's, when it comes to spicy, doesn't really play around too much. Their spicy chicken sandwich is actually pretty spicy. So let's see what we got here. Yeah. That's that says something. Pretty darn spicy. It is. Now, my usual go-to sauce is hot mustard. Used to be barbecue originally. Then I went to sweet and sour. But there's something about hot mustard which is so damn reliable. Try it with that first. Hot mustard has kind of a sweet and sharp flavor to it. These nuggets are not disappointing at all. I think these are my favorite nuggets. I know a lot of people like Wendy's and Chick-fil-A. A lot of people put Burger King at the bottom rung. I don't think Burger King is that bad, but if you really pay attention to it, it's like you're getting half a nugget, but thickness-wise. Not cut in half, but thickness-wise, it's a thinner nugget. That's why they can sell them, what, 8 for $1, you know? But if you ever had a spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's, that's what you're in store for here. This is the kind of spice level that these have. And I gotta say, they're really good. Now, Mighty Hot Sauce. Cleanse the old palate with some ice cold Dr. Pepper. So satisfying. And now, a musical number. All for you. Mighty Hot Sauce. This looks a little watery. Ooh. Smells a little like Louisiana. I think it might just be straight up hot sauce. I thought it was like going to be mixed with like a ranch or maybe I don't know, something along those lines. But tangy. It's a nice touch. Reminds me of well, kind of like Louisiana, but There's this hot sauce that they sell usually off of the food carts. It uses hot sauce on like pork rinds and things like that. That's what it reminds me of. It's more vinegary than hot. Has a little spice to it. Nothing crazy. But it's a nice touch for these already spicy nuggets. So pushing the spice level isn't too necessary. These are pretty good. Very good, actually. Go back to some of this hot mustard. God, I love this stuff. Sometimes I'll get a container of hot mustard dipping sauce and I'll dump it on top of one of their chicken sandwiches. It's a nice touch. It's like a big McNugget sandwich. When did McDonald's stop making 20-piece boxes? Why do they... Every time I order a 20-piece, they give me two 10-pieces. I know it's the same, but why? And when, Lord, when are they going to bring back the 50-piece bucket? I miss that. This last one, I'm going to do a mixture of hot mustard and mighty hot together, like friends. That's pretty good. Oh, my fries are cold. Boo. Cold McDonald's fries suck. Still pretty tasty though. I got another 10-piece in there to tackle, but I'm going to do that after this video. As far as those spicy nuggets go, I give them an 8. And that hot sauce, that mighty hot sauce, I give it a 6. It tasted good. It really tasted good. But it wasn't anything spectacular. But definitely worth a try if you're into, spicy foods. Pairs really well with the hot mustard. And I'm sure it pairs good with any of your favorite dipping sauces. If you like your chicken spicy, the nuggets are going to be exactly what you're looking for. Get down on this Dr. Pepper one more time. After that Pocky one-chip challenge, man, nothing seems too spicy anymore. Seriously, I thought I was going to die last night. I ain't even playing. My windpipe felt like it was going to close up and suffocate me. There was no joy in that at all. Never going to repeat that again. Unless, like I've told people, unless there's some heavy compensation or some really cute chick just says, I admire guys who can eat hot stuff. You eat that, you're my hero, and you can do whatever you want. At this age, doing whatever I want basically means, can we sit on the sofa and watch a movie together? That's all I got the strength for. But there you have it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Always appreciate it. And if you try them, comment below. Tell me what you think of the spicy chicken nuggets. Remember, it's a limited time only. A limited time. They never say, we're cutting it off at this date. They just up and pull it without any warning. So get out there and try them while you can. Till next time, guys, take care. Peace. God bless. And I will talk to you all. I can't talk. Yeah, I think I suffered a stroke last night. I will talk to you all really soon is what I was trying to say. My tongue just kind of tripped over itself. That's not a good sign. Take care, guys. Talk to you later.